It's raining. The airplane flies carefully through the sky.
Here. Oh my God!
Suddenly, lightning hits the propeller.
Help me!
Police car.
What happened? Oh my God! Help me!
The airplane needs help.
Okay.
Police car calls the construction team.
Open! Open!
Clamshell excavator. Dump truck.
It's my time! Hey, you!
Fire truck.
Transformation! Come here!
Crane truck.
Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, it's a nice slide! Come here!
They find a flat area for emergency landing.
Hey, you! Okay. Open!
Grab excavator places runway lights.
Here! Very nice! Let's go! I got it! Wow, it's a nice slide! It's my time! Wow!
Fire truck spreads foam.
It's so nice! Good job! Who is next?
Dump truck fills a softball pit.
Wow! It's amazing!
Everything is ready.
What's next? Come here. Okay. Look at this. Cool.
The airplane lands safely. Success!
I like it.
Crane truck lifts the airplane
Let's go. What happened? Yeah.
and takes it to the repair shop.
Hey, you. Cool. I like it.
They clean the burned parts and install a brand new propeller. All fixed.
Let's go.
The airplane takes off again.
Good job.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.